Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to diversify your portfolio while purchasing certain stocks. So let's get started. Now, let's say there are three different stocks in which you want to invest. One is Amazon, the other is Microsoft, MCSFT or MSFT, something like that. Let's say one should be stocks outer than the US. Let's say it's no, sorry, uh, yes, Unity. And let's say one stock is, there is no space, let me write it here, MLMT, Walmart. Whatever the ticker symbol is, I'm just explaining to you what you can do here. Let's say you have $200 sorry, $1,000 in your account. So you will have to diversify according in this way, that you have $1,000 in total. Oh, I'm sorry, I write 10,000. $1,000 in total, US dollars. Okay, US, it's US dollars. So you'll have to diversify it in this way, like 200, 200, 200. Sorry about that. Let me write this one. Now let's say this stock drops, and you'll have to save the rest of that 200. Yes, like this. This one went up, this also went up, and this one came down by a small amount. So now, as you can see here, in these two levels, in these two stocks, the amount dropped. Now you have total investment of $150 in this one, in this case, in both of them. Like, you have lost $50, so now you have remaining $150. Now you have profited from this one about, let's say, $80, which equals to $160. Like, this is the method. Now I want to show you what you can do with these two. Let me erase all of this. Now, as you've invested, like, you've got a profit from it. Now what you can do is you'll invest, uh, let's say you have invested over here, this is the stock price, and stock starts to decline at this rate. Now you have purchased at this one, and you will have to invest again, reach to this level. So you'll have to invest somewhere here, over here, or here, purchase some stocks, and when it goes up, you'll go along with it, and not like, lose your account. You will not blow up your account. To know this, you will have to use indicators which I have shown to you in the previous videos of mine. So do implement those and execute those, and trade according to those for better results. Now let's say if it didn't go that way, it starts to go down like this. So in this case, you will have to do your risk management properly, and do your risk management and place your stop loss in place. Let's say it was like this, so you'll have to place your stop loss over here, depending upon you, wherever you want to place. You'll have to do your risk management comes into play here, because this is a great role, plays a great role over here, because in this matter you do not lose much of your amount and uh, gain profit from it. Now one another method I want to show to you is this one. Let's say the stocks went up like this. You purchase the stocks here and stocks start to decline. So what you can do here is you can sell, like if you have 100 stocks, sell 60 of them, or 50, sorry, or 50. In mathematics this sign means division, so I'm going to remove it. Sell 50 to 60 stocks over here at this level here. You might lose some amount, but you will be you will remain as you are. Now if the stocks start to decline and it start to show signs of bullishness, then invest the stocks that you've sold out, invest those over here and go along with the trend. So this is another method of doing it. Now let's say you can also like when the stocks you have sold majority of your stocks here, and then you can if the stock doesn't show any profit, any positive results, then what you can do here is it starts to come down, then close your other position over here. So in this way you won't lose much of your amount, you won't blow your account and will remain a profitable trader. So these are the tips and tricks that I wanted to show to you. This is a great method of investing in the stock market. And also look for the stocks that are hot cakes, that do not let that do not let you that do not let you down, and shows positive results for the like 24 by 7, something like that, a week or month. They when they start to when the stocks start to drop, they also shows they also went back up in the like in a few days, like in 5 to 10 days they went back up also. Always invest in those type of stocks. Do your analysis properly, because you will need that, and you will profit from those. Also do your risk management with analysis, because risk management is a key factor in it. Whenever you are investing in a side trend, do your technical analysis 10 times, because you don't know whether the stock will go up, and also come up with such strategies that one doesn't work, the other will. So also come up with such strategies that if one doesn't show results, the other will give you profit. Like if the stock didn't went up, you'll be ready to short your position when the stock start to decline. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.